Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Cricut mat that's gotten stuck inside your machine. If you've ever been in the middle of a project and your mat just refuses to come out, trust me, you're not alone. This happens more often than you'd think, and the good news is, it's totally fixable. So if you're ready to get that mat out safely without damaging your machine or your project, let's get right into it. First, do not pull the mat too hard, as it can damage both your mat and your machine. Start by pressing the unload button on your Cricut machine. Give it a moment and see if the machine attempts to release the mat on its own. If the mat doesn't move, turn off your Cricut machine completely and unplug it from the power source. Now, take a look inside the machine and look at where the mat is stuck. Use a flashlight if needed to get clearer view of what's going on inside. Gently try to locate any part of the mat that may be folded, bent, or caught on the machine's roller. This is usually the main reason a mat gets stuck in the first place. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss on tips and tutorials like this one. Using your fingers, carefully apply light, even pressure to guide the mat backward towards the exit. Never push or pull from just one side. Always try to keep the pressure balanced across the mat. If the mat still won't budge, take a moment to inspect it for any warping, bending, or damage. If the mat is heavily warped, it may be time to replace it to prevent this from happening again. If you notice any residue on the rollers, use a soft, slightly damp cloth to gently wipe them clean. Make sure everything is dry before powering the machine back on. Once the machine is clean and clear, plug it back in and power it on. Load a spare mat to do a quick test run and make sure everything is feeding smoothly. To avoid this issue in the future, always make sure your mat is properly aligned before loading it in. The edges of your mat should line up with the guide markers on your machine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.